today I am going to extend my chapter, that is life in the desert, with the second part, that as deserts are of two types. We have already done deserts that is having scanty of vegetation and less rainfall, a type of harsh climatic condition. They are of two types. One is hot desert, another is cold desert. Hot desert comprised, that is known as a desert, Sahara Desert. We have already discussed Sahara Desert. It lies in the northern part of Africa and covering 11 countries of Africa. It is having extreme hot climate, scanty vegetation, acacia vegetation is found over there, and this area is having two tribal communities, Bedouin and Trans. And another concept today which we will be going to study, that is cold desert. So cold desert, that desert is in Ladakh. Ladakh is the area of northern part of India. It is covering two ranges of Himalaya. One is Karakoram range, another is Jaskar range. As in the northern part of the India, अगर हम थोड़ा सा मैं northern part India का बना रही हूँ, so we will be able to see this area. All these ranges, they are different ranges of Himalaya. One is Karakoram range, and second is Jaskar range. Third is Shivalik. Okay. So Karakoram range or Jaskar range, that ranges is from 3000 meter to 8000 meter altitude. ये altitude जो है वो 3000 मीटर से 8000 मीटर altitude तक का एरिया है. It is dry area, scanty vegetation, and rainfall annual they are receiving, that is 10 centimeters annual rainfall. In the summer season, they observe the climate or the temperature 0 degree and minus 30 degree. This is the climate or the temperature in the summer season, and in winter it reaches up to minus 40 degree. So this kind of harsh climatic condition leads to have very scanty vegetation, low rainfall, and even if we will be going to live over there, if with all those inhabited people, those who are living there, they are getting the sunstroke and freeze bites that same time at one place. As होता क्या है वहाँ पर, अगर मैं तुम्हें बताऊँ, वहाँ पर एयर जो है that is very thin. Air is very thin, so the light come from the sun is directly falling on that, but due to the low temperature in that area, the radiation doesn't come up. So the surrounding of that area remains very cold. That is why वहाँ पर जो है sunstroke और frost bite जो है वो होती है. ठीक है, जो ड्राइनेस बॉडी के अंदर हमारी होती है, that is there. If we will see about this area is a birthplace of number of rivers. Number of rivers are being originated from this area, glaciers से. Famous river जो है, that is most important river, that is Indus. Indus river is originated from that area, and it is also known as Sindhu Nadi. Other rivers which we can say, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, ये सारी हमारी Himalayan rivers हैं which originated. Ravi, Beas, Ganga, Yamuna, all these rivers are originated from the different ranges of Himalaya. But famous जो लद्दाख से निकलती है, that is Indus river. Then one important glacier, that is Gangri glaciers. Underline that point from page number 74. First paragraph, last word. Gangri glacier is a glacier which is most important. River Indus is most important and a long river started from this, and this area is comprised Karakoram range and Jaskar range. ठीक है, altitude from 3000 to 8000 meter. Ladakh varies this area from Kargil to Dras sector, Karakoram range तक जाता है, and due to the air thin air altitude पर सनस्ट्रोक जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. टेम्परेचर वेरी फ्रॉम 0 डिग्री टू -30 इन समर, एंड इन विंटर इट रीचेस टू -40 डिग्री. सो फ्लोरा एंड फौना, नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट जो है दैट इज फ्लोरा एंड फौना. फ्लोरा जो है बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई एरिडिटी, एरिडिटी का मतलब क्या है, सूखापन. सूखापन, vegetation is very less, but the tree which found over here, that are the grove of willow tree. Willow tree is being used for making the bat for playing cricket matches. Cricket matches के लिए जो हम bat बनाते हैं, that bat is being constructed with the wood that is willow wood, willow tree की जो wood. So यहाँ पर कौन कौन से पेड़ हैं, that is willow tree, another is poplar tree, third one is apple, apricot and walnut. These trees are being found in the summer season over there. They blooms in the summer season. Next जो आता है इसके अंदर birds. Some are migrated birds are also there. Migrate होता है those who are moving from that place to another place according to the season variation. So basically birds जो हैं that are robin, red star, Tibetan snowcock, raven and hoop. And Ladakh has animals also, wild goat, wild sheep, yak and special kind of dogs. These are the animals which are found over there. And next आ जाता है hair of this. These species or animals are reared by them because to get milk and all the butter, milk and cheese. Hair of this and this sheep and yak is being used for the wool product, wool के लिए, which makes a warm. So another two animals, the one is chiru and Tibetan antelope. Chiru and Tibetan antelope, which is endangered species. Endangered species का मतलब है जो खत्म होने की कगार पे हैं. They are being hunted to get the wool that is शातूश. शातूश आपने वूल का ब्रांड सुना होगा. इट इज मोस्ट ऑफ द फेमस वुलन ब्रांड विच जो कि वेट में बहुत कम होता है. इट्स वेट इज वेरी लेस एंड otherwise it's very warm. So shatush that is being obtained from two animals. One is chiru and the second is Tibetan antelope, which they are now endangered. वो अब endangered zone में है. So this is another concept. Now next आ जाता है इसका people. यहाँ के लोग कैसे हैं? We found that the people of this Ladakh region, Central Asian region and Tibet region, they all are identical because of the climatic conditions, same climatic condition. So here the two religion are dominant. One is Muslim religion and another is a Buddhism religion. यहाँ पर जो मेन है लद्दाख जो है, दे आर हैविंग देयर नेचर ट्रेडिशनल गोम्पास, जो कि मोंटेंसरीज वगैरह में इधर बुद्धिज़्म जो है दे आर फॉलोइंग दैट. सम मोंटेंसरीज जो इम्पॉर्टेंट मोंटेंसरीज है यहाँ की तिब्बतियन बुद्धिज़्म की, दैट इज हेमीज, तिक्शे, श्रे एंड लमायरो. हेमी, Tikshe, Shrey and Lamairo, they are the famous monasteries which are found in Ladakh. Summer season में people they are using the cultivation also. They used to grow the barley. Second is potato, peas, beans and turnip. Climatic condition in the winter becomes so harsh, so they cannot do anything. So they make themselves busy in making the festivals and other ceremonies. Women of this area are very hardworking. Even we found some of the women are doing all the domestic work. Even they are selling or making the market activities and shop and businesses also. So Leh was the earlier capital of Ladakh. And they are well connected with Jammu and Kashmir with one national highway, that is National Highway 1A, with the जोजिला पास, इसके जो कनेक्टिविटी है दैट इज बीइंग डन थ्रू द जोजिला पास एंड other passes are also there, Garo and Khasi hills from the Asmian side also. Tourism, यहाँ पर major जो natural resources are they are not there. Only tourism is the major factor which is attracting common people to come over there and as a source of earning. So what other they perform the activity, common people or the tourists came over here to visit Gompas, ट्रीज टू सी मिडो, मिडोज क्या होता है, ग्रास वैलीज, कुछ एरियाज में लोअर एरिया में ग्रास वैलीज हैं, एंड द ग्लेशियर एंड विटनेस वेरियस सेरेमनीज एंड फेस्टिवल्स. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज विच आर बीइंग observed by the tourist in this place. Life of this is going to change due to modernization, but the people of this area, they make themselves very much aware. They are not believing in wastage of anything. They are using all the natural resources in a very proper way. So in this way we come to know that Ladakh is very important area as a dry area, but source of attraction is there. Two religion are there, that is Buddhism and Muslims. Is it okay? Is it okay? Fine.